Hi chairde, An Aimsir ó Let's Learn Irish. Welcome back to this short video where we're going to be looking at 10 sentences in the Irish language using the past tense, otherwise known as An Aimsir Chaite. An Aimsir Chaite. Listen carefully and follow alongside me and we'll practice together. Ifid a haon. I was at school. Bhí mé scoil. Ifid a dó. I saw the house. Chonaic mé an teach. Ifid a trí. I said that you were hungry. Dúirt mé go raibh ocras ort. Ifid a ceathair. You drank a cup of tea. Dul tú cupán tea. Ifid a Chuaigh. He came home at 1 o'clock. Tháinig sé abhaile a haon a chlog. Ifid a sé. He began learning Irish. Thosaigh sé ag foghlaim na Gaeilge. Ifid a seacht. She played a football match. Dimmer she cluiche peile. Ifid a hocht. She left her home at 2 o'clock. Dog she a teach a dó a chlog. Ifid a ní. We went to the hotel. Chuaigh muid go dtí an t-óstán. And finally, ifid a de. They opened the door. Thosaigh siad an doras. Agus sin é a chairde. Those are 10 sentences using the past tense in the Irish language. An Aimsir Chaite, the past tense. To practice these skills and to practice these new verbs, please be sure to join our online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. By Fáilte.